I'm having ducking on the microphone for the music. I can put it at 100% and it will go smoothly down. How it's done? I have here the sidechain that is called here mic 1, and with the threshold of minus 38 dB and the ratio 6.5 by 1 with knee of 65, half frame attack 20 milliseconds, my frame is 40 milliseconds, is holding 300 milliseconds, and after that in 3 seconds is releasing. And with this is this very broadcast radio effect that everything is smoothly and like a butter that is going up and down without any pumping effect.